It's Stitch Fix Day. It's Stitch Fix Day. Look at her hair. Oh. Alright, y'all. This is Stitch Fix. Last chance to keep me as a customer. If you watch my early videos, you know that they wowed me the first 2 boxes. And then the third was okay. Then the second, totally disappointed. Third, well, not second or third. You feel me though. The last one, I was like, okay, this is their last opportunity. I'm going to give them one more shot. So, I was very specific with this box. I said I wanted some dresses for summer, preferably an elastic waist. I said I wanted a pair of Toms. Now, I put the same stuff in last month's. I got none of it. None of it. So, I requested a pair of Toms. I requested dresses with an elastic waist. And I requested no warm or cold weather clothes. I was like, yo, it's summer. Quit sending me sweaters and jackets. Right? So let's see if Stitch Fix meets my requirements. And if they don't, I'm kicking them to the curb. So just keep watching. I'm actually nervous, y'all. I loved Stitch Fix in the beginning. I did. And then, I don't know, they were slacking. Let's see. Are y'all nervous? I see shoes. Okay. Where's my little notes that I get? Alright, let's see what she put in the note. Well, here it is. Okay. Hi, Autumn. I'm excited to put together this fix for you. I'm sorry to see that you felt unheard by your stylist in your last fix. For this fix, I made sure to pay extra close attention to your feedback, profile notes, and requests. Knowing that you requested a pair of Toms, that was the first item I searched for. Okay, I don't want to read anymore. I don't want to read anymore. Alright, let's look at the shoes. They better be Toms. They are! Yay! I so wanted some Toms for the summer. So, thank you, Stitch Fix. These are definite keepers. She says, what do you think of this natural gray color? I love it. I also ordered an extra piece. They now have like panties and bras and body shapers. So I did order this, but when you order those items, you pick them out. So you already know what's coming. So I just ordered like a lace bralette. I thought that'd be cute under some of my cold shoulder tops. So that's a definite keeper. Here we go. Okay. Okay. We got a dress. That's kind of cute. So, how does it go? Okay, this is the front. This is the back. It's cute, but I really need dresses that I can wear a bra with. And I can already tell that I'm not going to be able to wear a bra with this. So, I'm going to say no to that just because I have to be able to wear a bra. Okay. Next we have kind of a sort of a little cold shoulder-ish shirt. It's another item that I can't wear a bra with. So, two items going back. Alright, we got okay, so this is an A-line dress. And I don't like A-line dresses because I like an elastic waist, kind of, you know. I think A-line dresses make me look like a potato sack. So that's going back. Alright, last item is a pair of, pair of denim shorts with so much stretch. Okay. Let's see what some of these items, whoops. I think I lost my price sheet. Okay. The A-line dress was $54. So this dress was $54. There's no way I would pay $54 for that. This red shirt that I'll be sending back because I have to be able to wear a bra. I got girls that need to be held up. This was $34, so that's going back. This dress, which Stitch Fix did, they got me. I like the print, I like the material, I like everything about it except the inability to wear a bra. So if it wasn't for the way it was made at the top, they would have nailed it with this. And this dress is $48. This one is cheaper than the other one, and this one is definitely a better quality dress. I would love to keep this, but I have to be able to wear a bra. The Toms, which we're keeping, are $48, and the denim shorts, which I think I'll keep, were $44. I do need to try these on, but they're cute and super stretchy. So, alright, what do I think of this fix? I think that my stylist, what's your name? Kelly. Hey Kelly, how you doing, boo? I do think that Kelly listened to me. The last probably 2 or 3 boxes, it really didn't feel like a stylist was picking out my clothes or listening to my feedback. It really just felt like they threw some items in there and shipped it to me. I do feel that Kelly really listened. She sent me the Toms, which I requested. That was great. There was no cold weather pieces in there, which was fantastic. I asked for dresses. She sent 2. One did have the elastic cinch waist that I asked for. The other one did not. But I do think she tried on that one. So overall, I think Kelly did a really good job listening to what I had to say. I still think the fix missed the mark a little bit. If I tell you I want dresses with an elastic waist, don't send me an A-line dress. I don't want an A-line dress. I don't wear A-line dresses. I want a cinched waist. I want to have that hourglass figure. But for the most part, I think she did listen. So we're getting there, Stitch Fix. I think I'll give them one more chance. I will continue with the detailed feedback, and here's the deal we're going to make. Y'all listening? Out of this box, I'm keeping 1, maybe 2 items. Definitely keeping the Toms, but I could have ordered Toms online. You know what I'm saying? But I'm definitely keeping the toms, and I'll probably keep the denim shorts. I gotta try those on first. So I'm keeping 2 items, sending the rest back. I think for my next box, if I don't keep the entire box, I'm canceling my Stitch Fix. So, Stitch Fix, you got to step up to the challenge. I want all pieces to stay in my wardrobe, or you're getting the axe. All right, my loves, until next time.